Hello everyone. Today we have this question and we have to factorize this question. So let's start the factorization of this question. A power 4 plus a square x square plus x power 4. So first of all we will rearrange this question as a power 4 plus x power 4 plus a square x square. And now we will solve this by completing a square. So look at this a power 4. We can write this a power 4 as according to this formula. We will make this completing a square. So therefore we can write this a power 4 as a square all power squared plus this uh, x power 4 with a similar method as x square all power square, and then plus 2ab. That's 2ab. That is, we have a equal to a square over here. So 2a and b equal to x square. So 2ab. But look at this part of the question. We have only this a power 4 plus x power 4, and we do not have this true a square x square. So to balance this equation, we will subtract 2 a square x square as well. So let's subtract 2 a square x square as well, and finally we will write this a square x square. So plus a square x square. Now in the question up to here we have this equal to a plus b all squared. So this will become, this part of the question will become a square plus x square all squared, and then this minus 2a square x square minus 2a square x square, this one, and then plus a square x square, a square x square. Now minus 2 a square x square plus a square x square equal to minus a square x square. This is equal to minus a square x square, and then we can write this a square x square as ax all squared. Now here this is in the form of a square minus b square, which is algebraic identity. This one identity a square minus b square, which is equal to a plus b into a minus b. So we will expand this part of the question according to this formula. So this will become a, that is this whole value equal to a. So a square plus x square and plus b. So plus and b equal to x and into a minus b. So a equal to this value a square plus x square, a, and then minus, and b equal to x. So this is the solution of this question. Basically this is in algebraic expression, and this is the factorization of this algebraic expression, and this is the answer. Thank you for watching. Goodbye. Take care.